Hey guys, I'm Sinseem and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be going through the fashion design directory that is written by Mani Fogg. She's a media consultant and also a fashion expert. So there's a lot of contents in this book on the designer profiles, a brief history of fashion, gives an idea about the Swatch directory and glossary also. It is actually a very good book. This is a book that a fashion should get inspired by, that would really help. If you like this book, you can get it online. I have added the link below in the description box. It teaches you everything you want to know on the history of fashion and gives ideas on the designer profiles. It talks on how Paris has been at the center of fashion since the 19th century. I would flip through the entire book to show you a brief idea on the book. You can go through all the different fashion designers, their history and their collection. They've given a close-up and high quality photos of their collection, so I highly recommend to go through this book. It has got a ton of information in this book. There are so many designers: Bazin Brooke, Bella, Bottega, Calvin Klein, Carolina, Celine, Chanel. This book presents 150 top of fashion designers from the beginning of the 20th century to the present day. That's Christian Dior. That's a beautiful picture. And these are the people and companies that have shaped the world of fashion and given a definition to the modern perception of style. Also, for easy reference, the book is actually organized alphabetically. Each page gives an overview of the brand and visual timeline depicting the pictures that highlights key moments, their signature pieces, and defining looks throughout the label's history. It's Donna Karan, it's a famous fashion designer, her collection, Dries Van Noten. I'll just flip through the book. Hermes, Hussein, Jason, John, Jonathan Saunders, Karl Lagerfeld, Lanvin. It is an essential reference for those who want to be up to date on fashion design. And this author, Mani Fogg, is a fashion expert and media consultant, lecturer and author with extensive experience in the fashion industry. She has interviewed contemporary designers all over the world and also the best-selling author of Couture Interiors, Living with Design. It's Sofia Kokoslaki, Takun, Tommy Hilfiger, Tony Birch, Valentino, all the designer collections from the history onwards. Vanessa Bruno, Vera Wang. This is the ultimate guide in the world of fashion design. The current fashion trends are often cyclical, which takes inspiration from past decades and working on them to the modern taste. It's Versace's collection. Victoria Become's collection. This book shows the development of fashion industry, which designs clothing and accessories. It's Vivienne Westwood, and all the colorful pictures you can see. That's Yuichi Yamamoto. US St. Lawrence collection. It's a really very good book. This book actually I bought it from college exhibition. This is the Swatch directory. You can go through different types of swatches. The fashion design directory includes stunning runway images with informative captions, and a fabric swatch directory displays 50 of the most important and interesting prints. Along with the fashion designers, they have written their names also. There is very interesting all the animal prints and all different types of floral prints and everything that you can go through. And also there's a very good glossary, so it's very important. All the fashion terms related with fashions are given there that you can go through. That is a glossary. We can go through all the important terms. So guys, that's it. So if you like the video, do subscribe and like the video, and also tap on the bell icon to get all the notifications. In the book they've also given further reading on all the different types of good books, and also given an index depicting all the descriptions that are already given inside. So that's all about the book. Thank you guys. Do subscribe.